Hey guys, so I'm gonna share to make this butterfly charm, and it's really crazy because I don't have any good rainbow bands, loom bands, but still I hope that you will enjoy this video. Yay, butterfly charm! So first you'll need this part of the board that this arrow is pointing away from you, and then gonna get one of bands placing like this. Okay, after that get another band, place it over here, and then another one, and so on. After that you're gonna put the last orange band over here. So as you can see in the charm, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you're just gonna add this over here. Okay, so one, you're perfect. Okay, after that, before we continue, sorry for the because I'm just holding up my phone, sorry. So gonna get up here, you can choose your own color, but now I'm gonna use some let's see where I'm gonna start, here or here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here. So gonna start over here. Just gonna put it like that so that it won't get stretchy, or you can just set it like that. Okay. Okay, add another one here. Add another one here in this peg. Okay. Add another one. Okay, this is 2 ones. Okay, so gotta add another one, and that. So to make it more cool, I like to put it like this first. Just wait, I'm really bad at holding my cell phone. Oh, yes. Okay, start like that. Sorry. Okay, gotta get this part. Get Gotta get this another one. Okay, now let's go flip this out that the arrow is pointing for you. Okay, let's see. How could I show this to you? Okay, ready. Just wait. Okay, now hope you can see my loom. Okay, so first gotta add one more loom over here. So like this. Flip it out, and I'm gonna show you what will it shows, and after I've just twisted it and then making sure if it is right by putting all the bands here. Okay, so as you can see, um, uh, a second ago I just put this over here. Now I noticed that I am wrong, so I just put it over here like this, like V. Okay, so now let's start looping the bands. So in this step, gotta get up the bottom part of the band. Sorry because I'm not really good at this. Just wait. By stretching up the bottom part. Okay, scoop it up. Okay, don't so it would look like a teardrop shape. Okay, sorry. So gonna get the bottom of this, like making a single chain bracelet. Get the bottom part. Hope you can see it properly. Because I'm just using up my one hand, that's why it's really bad. And I'm gonna show you the next. So I've just finished doing it. Just making like 1, 2, 3 parts. So in this last one, place it like this, okay, so that you can see it. You're gonna get this one. Sorry, can't get it. Oh, get this one in the bottom. Sorry for the sounds. Okay, back to the picture. Okay, carefully get it from it. Okay, so now get it back here. Go at this part that the arrow is pointing away from you. Then gotta get this one on top like that, and then gonna pull it up. Look, now it's done. Just need to get this away from this loom. So guys, this is the fun part. It's the way that you're looking at your loom. It looks like this, but because my loom over here is very unnecessary bad at all. So it's really cute. I got this one wings, and I got this really crazy wings. I don't know how do I do that. It's crazy. So on my next video, I'm gonna show you some of my memories, how to make some rings like this, like this, like this, like this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Also like this. Thank you guys. Bye. La 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 la.